I'm going to introduce you to VERMON NDT. VERMON NDT is your phased array probe manufacturer. We've been making phased array probes for 40 years. However, a lot of people haven't heard of us. The reason that is a big part of that time, all the probes we made were OEM. So you might have used one, but it had someone else's name or that's because naturally when companies that made instruments started to make those instruments and needed a probe, they turned to the medical community to have their phased array probes made. That was us. About 5-6 years ago, we decided to release the VERMON NDT brand. As you see, our standard product line here today, many designs that you're very familiar with, the connector that you're familiar with, we keep them in stock, and this is all we do. One of the ways that we are able to do that is because we make 450,000 probes a year between both our product lines, our medical and our NDT product line. We make them in South Carolina, here in the USA. We've got well over 100 probes in stock. They're compatible with every phased array instrument you can find on the market. In addition, I could show you some of our custom capabilities. Because we are a complete probe manufacturer, we actually will manufacture the acoustic stack inside. We can build from here up. You need a special housing, a special design. We can do that. And what we did